Hello everyone, welcome to Zi&Vi vlogs, and today we are going to be making lemon garlic chicken. For this we need black pepper, bay leaf, cinnamon, salt, ginger garlic paste and some curd. Make sure to whisk it. For marination we are going to squeeze one whole lemon in the chicken. We usually use drumsticks and chicken thigh, we don't go for chicken breast. Then put half of the black pepper. Don't put whole of it, the remaining black pepper we'll put when the chicken is ready. Put salt, then about 2.5 tablespoons of the ginger garlic paste that we have made. Also make sure to make fresh ginger garlic paste. Don't use the store-bought paste because then the taste differs. Now we have put in the whisked curd. This is how your chicken should look like. In a pan put some oil and butter. Preferably use olive oil. Then put some bay leaf, cinnamon sticks and put your marinated chicken. So we are going to fry this chicken for 15-20 minutes until it turns golden brown, and there will be some marination left which we'll use later on. Fry the chicken for about 8-10 minutes on one side, then flip it and fry it on the other side for another 8 to 10 minutes. And this is supposed to be done on medium-high flame. This is how your chicken is supposed to look like after a few minutes. In the meantime, we have prepared a cornstarch slurry. 1 spoon corn flour and 1 cup water. After the chicken is fried, take it out on a separate dish. In the same pan, we'll put some butter, chopped ginger, garlic, green chili. Saute it until the garlic and chili and ginger turns golden brown. Then we'll put the remaining ginger garlic paste that we had prepared. You're supposed to saute it until the raw smell goes away. Now the remaining marinade that we had left earlier, we'll combine it with the ginger, garlic and chili paste. Mix all of it together and cook this for about 5-6 more minutes. So you're supposed to cook the whisked curd properly, and we are then going to put our chicken in it. So this is how the cooked curd should look like. Now we are going to put fried chicken in it. Combine all of this together, the sauce and the chicken. Then put 1 slit green chili. The remaining black pepper that we had kept earlier, we'll put it in this dish now. We are now going to squeeze half a lemon. And the last step would be adding the corn and water slurry that we had made, corn flour and water slurry that we had made. This will really just combine everything together and give a nice rich texture to the gravy. Now we are just going to add some coriander on top, fresh coriander, and this is how your lemon garlic chicken should look like.